Welcome. It is Saturday, October the 5th, 2024. Today I will be headed to the Halloween Classic Car Show at the National Museum of Funeral History in Houston, Texas. It is the 16th annual for this event, but my very first time to attend. It's $10 for the car show, and for an additional fee, you can tour the funeral museum. So, really looking forward to that. So, join me if you will. Will you? Rambo, will you? Will you? Guess not. Well, Rambo won't be attending with me, but currently it is 73 degrees outside. The high today is 88 degrees. Should be a nice day. A buddy of mine will be picking me up to take me to the event, but before he gets there, I need to go get me some coffee. Even though I won't be driving to the event, I decided to stop here and get some go-go juice for my vehicle before I go inside and get some go-go juice for myself. Usually I get the Punk Bunny coffee, but pumpkin spice latte. Okay, I see you, 7-Eleven. Well, I'm not seeing the pumpkin spice options on here. I don't know if I should go with the banana nut or the usual. Decisions. I'll go with the Punk Bunny. One hot coffee achieved. Alright, so this is the Halloween Classic Car Show at the National Museum of Funeral History at 415 Barron Springs Drive in Houston, Texas. It's from 10 to 3 today. Just waiting for my buddy Jacob to come pick me up and head that way. Alright, I got notification that Jacob is on his way. So I'm going to go out front and wait for him and head on out. You ready to get spooked?
Nah, we're ready to die.
Oh, who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters. They even got the proton packs back here.
There's just one thing. Did you do anything with the engine, or you just took
No, it's a Hemi V8. We just left it as it is.
All right. That'd be cool if you made this into a high-performance car with the Ghostbusters theme.
We I'm actually considered when it's time to replace the engine in it.
That would be the best thing to do. That'd be the best thing to do.
Yeah, just really have fun with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got a lot of cool cars out here. So like I said, this is the 16th annual car show. This is my very first time to come here. I never knew about this until this year. Pretty cool Corvette right here. They got the skeleton riding passenger. It was Jason Mask. Alright, this is a 1961 Ford Galaxy Starliner. Yeah, back in the day they had these bench seats in these cars. Alright, this pretty cool Halloween looking car here, all decorated with the spiders and the skulls. Yeah, this car's pretty cool with all the decorations on it, the stickers, the spiders, and the skull right here. And they got the ghost back here in the trunk. Yeah, a lot of cool cars out here. Yeah, having a ZZ Top vibes over here. This is pretty cool with all these decorations. All funeral home. Yeah, pretty cool. Hey, clown, wipe that smile off your face. All right, so this is a 31 Ford Model A. Yeah, that's pretty cool. The police officer and a gangster in here. That's pretty cool. Eat, drink, and be scary. Tweety, 1939 Ford and a half ton pickup. (1968) Camaro. Yes.
Manual, at least not learn it yet, because you got 3 pedals. I'm the youngest person here.
1934 3-window coupe. This is pretty cool. I like how they have all these cars decorated with the Halloween theme. (1985) Chevrolet El Camino. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. This is my first time to this car show, and I'm liking it already. This is pretty cool. So it's a 99 Chevy Corvette. And they got this truck with this octopus coming out of it. This dude's just chilling. Help us. 1994 Chevy Silverado. That's cool how they got these skulls painted on here. Alright, Michael. Where's Michael? Oh, there's Michael.
Alright, y'all. I need all my costumes, big and little. If you're to the DJ booth, it is time for the costume contest. Theo!
Yeah, that's too cool. Michael Myers.
I went adults on my left were, am I saying it? Adults on my left.
Oh, Jennifer, check out that 4x4. That is hot. Someday, Jennifer. Oh, what the? Scooby. Yeah, there's a ton of cool cars out here. Oh, is that Beetlejuice? Just don't say his name 3 times. Cowboy skeleton. Oh, that is small.
Yeah, 6'4". I'm 6'5" and I feel it. You'd be surprised how much room it is in there when you step in.
Nah, I can't. They killed Kenny.
Aye, matey.
Okie dokie. I'm going to need some audience
Fireball.
participation as well, folks.
You see that?
What?
Fireball.
All right. We're going to start with the grown-ups
61 Volkswagen.
Yeah.
sometime this week, guys.
I saw a video where Gabriel Iglesias, that, you know,
Ho, 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 and a
Good Lord,
bottle
we've
of
got a lot of
rum.
pirates. You think
He
that was
has
the
one
theme
of
of the
these.
show this year?
Oh,
or
really?
something?
but with the roof. So, yeah. Ew.
Oh, come on, he's got to have a better wheel than that. All right, come on back up here.
Ooh. Man, there's a lot more cars here than I thought there would be. Beep beep. Roadrunner.
You remember on the show Pawn Stars? Rick's son, he wanted the Plymouth Roadrunner and he bought one and he sold it. He couldn't take it.
Really?
Yeah. He sold it to his dad.
Did he make him a deal?
Yeah. Yeah.
What, a corn dog?
Yeah. It's like it was a bag of Doritos and a corn dog. What's this one?
It's a 66 Plymouth Barracuda.
Barracuda. Barracuda.
Oh. 68 Dodge Corona. Hey, Dolly. What is this?
56 Shelby.
Now let's be frank. Hey, Frank.
Another Chevy Bel
57 Chevy Bel Air.
7 and 56.
Sweet ride.
I'll show you a sweet ride. What's this one?
Day of the Dead. Vacancy.
I saw some of that movie.
Oh,
That's cool.
Nobody to Love. Ain't that right? I'm old.
Oh, la, la, la.
Ooh. Just creeping it real. It's pretty
You're
sweet.
not old. I'm old.
Pretty sweet. This one reminds me of Sanford and Son. Bum, 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 bum. This is a 57 Chevrolet.
3100 truck. You got a 55, 56, and a 57. Do another zigzag loop to confuse the viewers.
Jack
where you went.
Skellington. Pretty sweet. Challenger. That's cool. Mustang wife.
It's not
There's old Jack. Taking a nap.
So this was one of the models of the Corvette before they switched over to the C8. So it's got the supercharged V8. So
Ooh.
I definitely can't fit in that casket, that's for sure. I'm too freaking big.
What is this? A
Can't even roast me in there.
what do they have in here?
I don't know. Joel's leg.
Ooh. Need some help there, buddy?
Nah. His legs are under the tires. He's tired.
God.
Bel Air, maybe this is a 54. Because they had 55, 56, 57. No, it's 55. Well, if his bones are cold, take them out of the fridge.
I don't think they'd be cold out here.
Oh, man. Well, you're not chilling your bones because you're roasting them. Mercury.
Mercury. I love Cougars.
Definitely different.
1967. Somebody lost their head. Wow, this one's pretty cool. Headless Horseman. Yeah, this is a really cool setup they have out here. I can't believe I haven't never heard of it before. 16th annual. I'm tired of hiding. Is anyone even looking for me anymore? I feel you. I feel you.
Is anybody out there?
Does anybody
That's
care? Yeah, after this, I'm gonna need to go inside to the museum and cool off because it's quite toasty out here right now. Can't even see the wheels on this one.
We should nickname it Wheeler.
Wheeler.
Yeah. Everybody just the Cadillac Wheeler.
Oh, the kitty cat is awake now. '67 Chevelle Super Sport. Alright, this is pretty cool. They have this car spinning around here. Pretty awesome.